As you are aware, the ECOWAS heads of state have made me an envoy to Niger Republic, and over the weekend we were there to see the military people and discuss to find the way out of the lacuna we find ourselves. So that's why I'm here this afternoon, together with the president of the ECOWAS Commission, to give a report back to Mr. President on our discussion in Niger. I must say that our visit to Niger has been very fruitful in that it has opened an avenue to start talking, and hopefully we will get somewhere.
Situation, sir.
Well, like I said, we started talking. We made their own points, and then I made my report to the chairman of the ECOWAS heads of state and president. He will now consult with his colleagues, and then the ding-dong starts, and we'll get somewhere, hopefully. Hopefully, diplomacy will see the better of this thing. Nobody wants to go to war. It doesn't pay anybody. But then again, you know, our leaders have said, if all fails, and I don't think all will fail, we'll get somewhere. We'll get out of this mess.
The idea is to empower the women, in digital literacy and digital economy. As we all know, digital economy is the platform you can use to do so many things. It's a one-stop shop where you can do so many things, from identification, payment, delivery, and all that. You can't even cheat people on that platform. So you don't even need a store to operate from that platform. So it is economical when it comes to e-trading, e-commerce, and so many other things. So it is a platform that can be used to transform and change the narrative. It is a thing we can use to, rearrange the trajectory to make our nation a better place using women.
They will learn more about what we refer to as the gig economy. The gig economy has actually, be the greatest, the largest employer of labor, across all sectors now. And once they are empowered with these tools, digital tools, empowered with digital knowledge, they are able to play their key role in the area of gig economy, so that they can be self-reliant. They can even stay at home, for instance, for those of them use their digital tools and also connect with the internet, connect with other digital offerings, and be able to, sell themselves, sell their market. The globe now, the world is like a global village. So there is no limitation as what anybody can achieve with digital tools at this particular time.